Hey, what's up you guys? So we're gonna be replacing the bars, these little goopy stock bars on the Grom. So pretty simple, straightforward little process. We'll be taking off the brakes, so which is 8mm, and then we'll take it off this side, which is 8mm for the clutch. Take off this, which is Phillips, and this one is a Phillips for the throttle. I'm taking that off, and then we'll strip these bars down. Then once we strip them down, then I'll take off the centers, which is a 6mm, and then we'll take, after we take off those, then we can get the new bars on here. The bars we went with are just some Amazon ones. I've used them in the past on my other bike. They were $26. They came with the grips as well. 7/8 bars. Same thing like the Pro Tapers, but I mean, there's no point of buying Pro Tapers for a Chinese bike. Just my opinion. But yeah, so we're gonna be putting them on, and yeah, I'll let you know how they go. Okay, so it's pretty simple to take off. Literally took like not even a minute. Just like I said, these 8mm, these Phillips head screws to pull off the throttle, and then on this side as well. And then on this one, you do have the cable. This is for the choke, how it used to be a choke on the bars. So all you do is just pull it out, and then that's it. So when you put it back together, you won't need that little piece no more. Yeah, everything's off. Now I can take off these 6s, and then I can take these bars off. Okay, now it's off. Took the things off already. Everything's off. Here's those pieces. Make sure to use Loctite. And then here's the old bars that we just took off, the stock ones. Here's the new bar we're going to be putting on. So it's a 7/8 bar, Amazon, $26. It also comes with the grips. I've used these before. I've crashed my other bike, done a lot of stuff. No, they don't bend and fold up on you. None of that stuff. This is actually even stronger than the stock ones they come with. Look at the thickness on these, and look at these, the stock ones. So for all the people that say, oh yeah, they don't work or they suck, they're lying. Don't be fooled by the people. Just, you know, try them yourself. If you don't like them, worst case, you only spend $26. But yeah, they come in different colors. I chose black, and yeah, we'll be putting them on right now. So it's simple to do. Sit right there. Oh, see, it's a little hard to do with the camera, but sit there. Let me get the Loctite. Okay, let's get the Loctite on these. Remember, always use Loctite. Okay, so put this on. Put them in by hand first, so you don't cross thread them. It is aluminum, so they will strip. And it is a 7/8 bar, so the people that don't know, just put them in like that. Okay, and then you just line them up. Just line them up wherever you like, wherever's most comfortable for you. I like my bars about there, so that's where I'm going to tighten them. Give me a quick second and we'll be back. Okay, so got the bars on, got everything bolted back up, all Loctited. Got the new grip on that side on. I just need to do this grip, so I need to cut this one off. But other than that, that's how the bars look. More sleeker, more sturdy now. So once I cut this one off, then it'll be all done. Okay, we got this one on. I did it off camera because it's a little bit of a pain in the ass to put on. I just sliced this one off with the razor blade. These suck anyways. Throw into my parts, junk. Yeah, everything works now. Everything's good. Like I said, these are only $26. So it's not that bad. They come in all colors. So $26. I've used them before. If you watch all my other videos, you'll see that I have the same bars. I've had no issues with them, and I drop my bikes, do everything with them, and yeah, they're cheap and they work. And like I showed you guys already, the thickness from the stock to these. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.